Welcome to JH. Today we are examining the Oceaura GLP-1 patch, a product gaining traction online as a natural weight loss solution. It is marketed as a milder substitute for prescription medications like Ozempic or Wegovy. This patch reportedly contains ingredients such as berberine, cinnamon, and pomegranate extract. Advertisements suggest it can curb appetite, incinerate fat, and regulate blood sugar levels. Its main appeal lies in its convenience, boasting a needle-free experience without nausea or typical side effects. Please note that this video is for educational purposes only and does not serve as an endorsement. Our discussion is based on publicly available data and noteworthy observations. There is a significant distinction to understand regarding how this product is marketed versus how it actually functions. While it may seem comparable to medical GLP-1 treatments, it is fundamentally different. Prescription drugs utilize actual hormones to manage hunger and glucose levels directly. In contrast, these patches rely on natural supplements which, while potentially beneficial for general wellness, do not replicate the effects of pharmaceutical-grade medications. Furthermore, claims of FDA approval are misleading. The FDA does not approve wellness patches or dietary supplements. While a manufacturing site might be registered with the agency, the specific product has not undergone official testing or clearance. Pricing and delivery methods also raise concerns. Authentic GLP-1 medications require a prescription and are costly because they consist of complex peptide molecules. These molecules cannot be absorbed through the skin, which is why they are administered via injections or specific oral formulas. Scientifically speaking, a simple patch cannot provide the same physiological results. While exploring health options is encouraged, it is vital to remain informed by facts. The marketing for the Oceaura GLP-1 patch simply does not align with medical science. If you are considering weight management strategies, always consult a medical professional first.